How to install the batteries in the Biozoon air pump. 2 D-cell batteries are required. To open the pump, locate the tabs on the side of the pump. Then, using an object such as a kitchen knife, insert between the tabs and twist as shown. Then insert the batteries. Please note the batteries go in the same direction. Make sure they are fully inserted. Then close the unit and click shut. Using the switch on the top, test the unit to make sure it works. Please note, only use quality alkaline batteries, such as Energizer Industrial, and do not use rechargeable batteries. Thanks for watching.